Once your band has decided on the music that they're going to play, it's a good time to start creating the music. This can be done by having original compositions or playing covers of already written compositions. After you've decided all the different types of music that you are going to play, it's good to put it in a repertoire list. Many bands have rep lists. These include all the types of music that they know how to play. For example, this is one of my jazz repertoire lists. It includes all the lists of the jazz standards that I know how to play. From this list, I can compile a set list for a show. So if I want to do a couple tunes in one evening, I have a list to choose from, and then you can set it out for the show. Other people have set lists too that can be longer or shorter or include different types of music as well.